No one got this question right. 5 years ago, I was 10 years old. So, in 50 years, I will have 20, 25, 30, or 35 years old. Which is the right question to this math question? Do you know the answer? So, if you do, leave it down in the comments and I would like every correct answer. And for those who don't know me, welcome to the channel. I'm Professor Romeo and I bring daily contents on logic and math. So if you don't want to miss any challenge I post here every day, click subscribe now and leave a like so I know you are enjoying the content. So, now you have the positive video and try to solve it. Check the answer. Let's see if you got it right or not. Well, in this question, is saying 5 years ago, okay, 5 years ago, and 10 years old is the present, okay? The present, the present, I am, I am 10 years old, okay, plus 5 years, okay? Because in the past, I was 10 years old. So it's asking, in 50 years, I will have. So the future, okay, is 50 years later. So the future is 50 year plus the present. The present is 10 plus 5. So future is 50 plus 50. So the correct answer to this question is C, 30 years. In 50 years, I will have 30 years. So, did you get this question right? To let me know you watch the video, how do you do? Comment, where are you from? I'm from São Paulo, Brazil. Do you know Brazil? Comment here and I see your comment. Thanks for watching and I see you in the next video. Bye bye.